All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Happy Wednesday morning, a little bit after 10 a.m. Apologize, been gone off the tube for a couple days, in large part in my part of the country. It is obviously the beginning of the pre-spawn for largemouth bass. So getting all the gear ready, getting everything ready for fishing to begin here in my part of the country. Obviously, if I'm not talking crypto, I am talking bass fishing, anyone who knows me, or Premier League soccer. That's pretty much it. And I get dialed into all three of those this time of year pretty heavily. And now we are going to talk about Bitcoin. How do we now profit from the next move? That's the biggest question. Why do I say the next move? Because if you were part of Cryptoballers or follow the Cryptoballer X community, you were entering 510, 240 entries when Bitcoin collapsed back down below 45,000, right? Right, everybody? Everybody was entering in at 5x, buying long at 5x Bitcoin at under 45,000, right? Let's hear everybody agree the fact that we were buying Bitcoin below 45,000 a week ago, correct? With 10 days. So we're still within our 10-day window of today. And I'm sure that there are quite a few crypto ballers out there that went ahead and took exit in the 52,400 level of Bitcoin this morning on the move. Does not matter whether you look at the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart, 30-minute chart, or the 15-minute chart. The chart looked good, looked primed to go ahead and take profit in the 5, 10, 240 trades. Now, what are the 5, 10, 240 trades? If this is your first video you've ever watched, those are 5x or 10x trades for 240 hours on the BitSeven trading platform, the best leverage trading platform in the world. That's right. I said it. And so we're going to talk some more Bitcoin now. What do we do, right? You've exited that 5, 10, 240, or maybe you have that 5, 10, 240 open still with a few more days to rock and roll, right? How are we going to look at? What are we looking at with Bitcoin? Well, let's kind of look back. Sometimes you have to look back to look forward, right? You're going to hear a ton now. The narrative is going to shift now. Why is the narrative going to shift? Because Bitcoin just crossed over its 50-day, okay, moving average. So now the last week's narrative of everything being bearish and everything being doom and gloom and Bitcoin's going back down to 38 and all that now flips to now Bitcoin going back to 57. Okay. That's the driver of social media and the market and the industry, commonly referred to as clickbait. Okay. Go ahead and look on YouTube today and you'll see hundreds of to the moon, $50 Cardano, to the moon, 300,000 Bitcoin, right? Because it's all everyone wants to read, the top end. We don't really do that here. We kind of stay reasonable. We're looking now at 57,000. That's a short term. That's a short term target for us. Okay. And that's realistic now of crossing in this 50-day and holding now. We want to hold. Okay. We want to hold today above that 50,300 area. Okay. That's on the 4-hour. We want to hold that at the end of the day today. That's critical, really, for this breakout move that we're going to possibly see. You can see all this. Is a great graph, by the way. I'll link it in the description. Pretty much covers where we've been. We've been through bull flags, right? We've been through, which have been bullish. We've been through ascending triangles. We've been through rising wedges. Bitcoin's worked our way all the way through all this, right, to where we are right here. Okay. Now we're at about 50,680. Okay, at 10:17 a.m. Okay, so we're about right here. Okay, let's mark that just so you can see what I'm talking about. We're about right here. It's about right now. So we're above that kind. We're breaking out, right? Short term. Now we broke the 52,480-ish. Okay, we've sold down. Why did we sell down? Well, RSI got to be like 82, 83 level. Okay, that's kind of ridiculous, and people are going to take profits, right? And so we're back down now into the 50,000 range. The critical thing for a breakout is to break above the line, right? Close above that line. Anywhere in here above 50,300. That's what we want to see. Then where do we go? Well, the next step up. It doesn't matter what metric you're looking at, okay, that are going to support this. All the on-chain metrics are positive. Doesn't matter whether it's NVRV. Doesn't matter whether it's MVRV, NVT. Net realized profit and loss. Doesn't matter. They're all bullish right now for Bitcoin to rise back to 57, to test 57,000.